It's Laura Eubanks of Design for Serenity with your succulent tip of the day. And on this beautiful January morning, we are in Encinitas, California to install two 6-foot gutters on the lovely fence of our client, Catherine. Greg has pre-drilled these plastic gutters that he purchased at, did you get them at Home Depot or Lowe's?
Home Depot.
Home Depot. He has installed, count them, 4 brackets. He got little end caps for each end. And now all he's going to do is take his drill and screw 4 screws into the fence.
And what drill is he using?
What drill are you using?
A DeWalt.
A DeWalt. All right.
Ow, what are you doing?
It's crooked. Okay, so I bought some little, some 2-inch and some 4-inch plants, but I also bought some bigger things. Now, just because this is in a 6-inch pot doesn't mean I need to plop the whole thing in as is. You can take the plant out of the pot and divide it into as many pieces as you want simply by pulling it apart. I want to work with 3 pieces, and that's what I've done here. I've staged my spillers first, then we're coming back in to do all of the filling in. So in my gutters, first the spillers, because I think visually they take up the most space, then we fill in all around it. And remember, you can always divide your plants.
Don't you put them in, Mom?
Okay, so we have these beautiful 6-foot gutters all complete. When you think you have enough plants in your gutters, add more. We used dozens and dozens and dozens of plants, and these are going to just knit together and continue to grow and give off pups. Our client will be able to work with these in arrangements, give to friends. These are microcosms of a large garden. This is like a succulent tapestry, but in gutters. So if you're looking for something to do that's vertical and you've got a location that gets morning sun and afternoon shade, this is absolutely a fantastic solution for you. So be sure and let me know in the comments if you have additional questions about gutter gardening. I hope that you have been inspired. I did use a combination of cuttings and rooted plants, and I will encourage my client to gently mist this gutter garden a couple of times a week. No more than that. Remember, we have drainage holes in the bottom. We are not going to water heavily. The little bit of misting is not going to hurt those cuttings, and it will totally support the rooted plants as well. This has been Laura Eubanks of Design for Serenity with Gutter Gardens 101 and your succulent tip of the day. Bye, guys.